Hi you guys, and welcome to my tutorial channel, you guys. Today we're gonna eat a leaf. I know what you're thinking, why eat a leaf? But I can promise you it's great. Many people have asked me to do this video. Today we're definitely gonna eat that leaf and I'm gonna show you how. First thing you wanna do, you're gonna find yourself a forest. I'm here in this forest. I think this is a great forest. This is the best forest I've seen in a while. And this is the perfect place for leaf eating, I promise you. Next up, you wanna find a tree. How do you find a tree, you ask, in a forest? Well, they're everywhere. They're literally everywhere. So you're not gonna have any problem in the world to find a tree. Me, I'm choosing this particular tree. It's a fantastic tree. And today we're gonna eat a maple leaf. Why maple, you ask? Well, everyone knows the maple leaf is the creme de la creme of leaves. So, how do you eat that leaf? I'm telling you, you just grab that leaf with your index finger and thumb. You break it off like this. Oh man, that's a fine leaf if I ever saw one. If you're a little bit picky and choosy, you wanna wipe it off, but that's absolutely not anything you have to do. That's optional, basically. Now you got the leaf in your hand, but how do you bite it? Well, you just open your mouth, bite into it. Well, that's a fantastic leaf, you guys. That's so leafy and fibery. This is a great leaf. But yeah, so this is basically how you eat leaves, you guys. So thank you for watching this tutorial today on how to eat a leaf. Be sure to hit and subscribe to my tutorial channel, and see you next time, you guys. Have fun, you guys out there.